In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data in Google Sheets by date. Whether you're managing a project timeline or organizing event schedules, mastering this seemingly simple task can significantly enhance your efficiency and productivity. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Google Sheets. You can open it from your browser by going to the official Google Sheets website. If you're not signed in, be sure to log into your Google account to gain access to your documents. Once you're signed in, open the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to sort by date. This step is crucial as you'll be working directly within the document that needs organizing. Now that you have your spreadsheet open, the next step is to select the range of data that includes all the date entries. It's important to highlight not just the dates, but the entire set of data you'll be working with. This ensures that Google Sheets sorts everything together, maintaining the integrity of your data relationships. With your data highlighted, navigate to the toolbar at the top of your screen and click on Data. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here, you'll want to select Sort Range. This option allows more control over how you organize your data, especially when dealing with complex spreadsheets. Once you've clicked Sort Range, a dialog box will appear. Here, you should click on Advanced Range Sorting Options. Doing so will provide additional settings to fine-tune how your data is sorted, making sure that everything is handled precisely as needed. In the settings, make sure to check the box labeled Data has Header Row. This is essential if your data includes a header. It tells Google Sheets to treat the first row as a heading rather than data to be sorted, so this row remains at the top of your spreadsheet after sorting. Next, you'll locate the destination field. In this drop-down, you'll find the column by which you want to sort your data. Look specifically for your column of dates. In our case, we'll choose Departure Date, or whichever date header you have. Once you've selected the correct date column, hit Sort. This will reorganize your entire dataset based on the dates, either in ascending or descending order depending on your preference. Your spreadsheet is now neatly sorted, and all the related data field moves with the corresponding date, keeping your information coherent and accessible. By following these steps, you've efficiently organized your spreadsheet, making it much easier to read and analyze. Sorting data by date is a fundamental task that, when done correctly, can save you significant time and effort. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your data more effectively.